is Alana McAfee, Raven Nation operative. Jordan, I think I'm onto something big here. What I'm seeing proves that the second wave is here. Oh, God. I think they're coming.
In 1564, Nostradamus predicted the destruction of Earth in 3 terrifying waves. The first wave is here. My name is Cade Foster. These are my journals. They killed my wife, framed me for murder. Now I run, but I don't hide. With the prophecies of Nostradamus as my guide, I seek them, I hunt them. I will stop the first wave. Quatrain 28, Century 3. Tainted streams flow into fields of stone as the vanguard rises from hope. On the path of least obstruction, the evil one is crowned. An operative for the Raven Nation, Alana McAfee, disappeared while investigating an anonymous posting to their website. It claimed alien activity in the small mining town of Hope, Montana. Could this be the Hope mentioned in the Quatrain? That's what I've come to find out. But first, I have to lose the tailgater.
This is Cobb. I lost an out-of-town vehicle. Fellow sure as hell didn't want to stop.
10-4, Sergeant. We'll keep an eye out.
Do that. He might still be in our neck of the woods.
Of course I remember your friend. She stayed here. Ms. McAfee seemed real nice, and I was sorry when she left.
Did she say when she was coming back?
No, she just checked out and drove away.
We were supposed to meet and drive to Bozeman together.
Oh, sorry, she didn't say anything about meeting friends.
She told me she rented a car in Missoula. Do you remember what kind it was?
Not offhand, no, sorry. I could check her registration. We ask for car make, model, color, license plate.
Oh, there he is. Hi, honey. What took you so long? This is my husband, Edgar.
Oh, hello, Edgar.
Hi, you can just call me Ed.
I'm Cheryl Nelson.
Pleasure to meet you. You find Alana?
She was here, but she checked out.
Well, God forbid she ever follow a plan, huh?
She knew we were coming. Maybe we should just check in and see if Alana comes back?
Yeah.
Okay. Come on, honey.
Edgar.
She emailed me, said she was onto something. Since then, nothing. Not a word in 3 days.
You said an anonymous internet posting brought her here to Hope. Any clues there?
We traced it to this area, so it came from someone in town.
Not much to go on. Cop tried to stop me on my way here. I had to outrun him. Ditched the car a couple of blocks away. If he ID'd me, I might have to skip town in a hurry.
You afraid to leave me on my own? Don't worry, Foster. I'm a big girl. Big girl with a big gun.
Manager.
Hi.
Hi.
Your friend was driving a silver Toyota, and I wrote down the license plate number.
Thank you, Cheryl. I appreciate it.
And if there's anything else you need, just let me know. Oh gosh, you and Edgar make such a cute couple.
Ha. I'm a very lucky man.
He doesn't know just how lucky.
Let's start with a car. Check rental places, see if it's been returned.
What if it hasn't?
Then we assume worst case scenario. Try tow yards too. After 3 days, even in a town this small, it might have been towed. Damn. The cop who was chasing me.
Thank you, Cheryl.
Come on, I've got an idea.
Hello, officer. What can I do for you?
Sergeant Cobb, Sheriff's Office. I'm sorry to bother you, ma'am, but we followed a reckless driver into town, found his car a few blocks away. Don't know for sure, he might be dangerous.
Oh, my.
You mind if I have a word with your husband?
Actually, right now is not the best time.
I'm sorry, ma'am, I need to have a word.
He's in the shower. His name is Edgar.
Sweetheart!
Sarah, open up. This is the police.
What's going on?
We're looking for a man who drove into Hope about 90 miles an hour. When'd you get into town?
This morning.
What kind of car are you driving?
Well, it's a rental Dodge. My wife parked it out front. What's going on here, honey?
All right, sir. Sorry to have bothered you. Ma'am?
Too damn close.
Guess I'll make those phone calls.
Love shave.
Well, this is the only tow yard in town.
Morning. Fill her up?
Yeah, sure. Any chance of talking to whoever runs the towing company?
Jim's towing. That's me.
Oh, wow. Maybe you can help us out, Jim. A friend of ours drove into town in a silver Toyota. Any chance you might have towed that car?
Nope.
This is our friend. Name's Alana. Sure you haven't seen her around?
I'm sorry. I can't help you.
Well, if you hear anything, let us know. Name's Ed Jones, staying over at the motel on Elm. You mind if I take a look around anyway?
Be my guest. But I'm telling you, you ain't gonna find that car.
Nice town, but I don't know why the hell the Gual would want to be here.
Alana's been with me for 2 years. If she says she found something, I believe her.
Eddie found a quatrain, mentions a vanguard rises from Hope.
A vanguard. Troops that move at the head of an army.
And Hope could be this town, but looking around, I'm not so sure.
Mrs. Jones? Mrs. Jones?
Cheryl. Hi. Something wrong?
You had a phone call back at the motel. They found her. Your friend?
Where?
She was in a car accident. Route 89, just outside of town. The police are there now.
Lemonade?
No, thank you.
A little tart. I saw Wayne and the kids the other day. Newt's got to be finishing 4th grade.
Almost.
And almost as big as my Jamie. Damn, the years go by, don't they?
Aren't you worried?
Why?
They came here looking for the girl.
It's only natural the girl would have friends.
Well, that's it, isn't it? That's why you had me tell them about the car.
Cheryl.
You're trying to scare them off. Do you know chickens will always come home to roost?
Don't you worry. Everything is going to be fine.
And what if it isn't? What if they come and kill us, kill our families, torture us like they said they were gonna?
No. Take it easy.
Horace, I'm scared.
Don't be. We've done everything they've asked, everything. We've kept our part of the bargain, and they're gonna keep theirs.
Why did it have to be us? It could have been Riverton, Cascade.
It wasn't. It was us.
Car almost went straight into the ravine. Easy now. Pull her up nice and slow.
You distract the cops, I'll check out the car. Jordan? Jordan, you okay?
Yeah.
Ma'am, I'm going to have to ask you to get back to your vehicle. We have a fatality here.
I think it's a friend of mine. That's her car there.
Then go to the sheriff's office in town. Wait till we file our report.
I want to see her now.
This is not going to be a pretty sight. She was thrown from the car when it left the road. Ma'am, get back in your vehicle.
Let go of me.
That's it, lady.
Okay, fine. But I'm gonna file a report of my own. You're in big trouble, mister.
Get the body in the back. Come on, let's finish this up. All right, make a note. The absence of skid marks on the pavement suggests she may have been asleep at the wheel. Put down that she was wearing her seatbelt, but still the... Lady, what the hell are you doing? Damn it, I told you to get out of here. Now get back in your car.
Gash on her head must have killed her.
But why was she burned like that? Monster, I could hardly recognize her.
There's no sign of fire in the car.
So what happened to her face?
I might have an answer to that. One garage sale enlarger, one egg timer, 3 plastic trays, chemicals, say quesadilla, and Eddie's mobile photo is born.
What's wrong with these pictures?
Well, that's a good question. Never seen anything like it before. One thing I can tell you, these pictures were exposed right through the film canister.
What could do that?
Yeah, my guess is X-rays, some kind of radiation.
Alana's email mentioned something about the mine. If it was uranium or plutonium?
I don't think so. I mean, this whole roll was exposed at once. It's like some kind of a blast, a sharp dose.
Would that explain the burns?
Well, maybe, but it's not going to help us figure out what's on these pictures.
Hold on.
What are you doing?
This has got to be one single picture we're looking at here, right? I mean, if the whole row was exposed at once.
So each frame would have a piece of the image. I'm with you, Foster.
But what the hell is it?
I don't know. But whatever it is, it's what killed Alana.
The woman we're not sure about, but the fella we believe his real name is Cade Foster. He's a fugitive, convicted of murdering his wife, a suspect in 6 other homicides.
You gonna call in the state police?
Well, We do that, Cheryl, we're going to get the feds and all kinds of reporters down here, and I don't think that's what we want to do.
We can handle this ourselves.
And if we do that, we're all going to have to sign off on it. Make sure it's what we want to do.
No. I say no.
Why's that, Jim?
So how long is this going to go on, Burke? First it was telling our friends and relatives not to visit us here. And then it was running every driver out of county who cruised through town half a mile over the limit. Now it's the girl.
The girl is not a problem anymore.
No? She's got friends, and her friends are gonna have friends. When's it gonna end, people?
Jim's right. This is getting out of hand.
Not if we keep our heads. Damn it, Jim, this is not our fault.
We let ourselves get into this in the first place, and that is our fault.
What gives you the right to be so high and mighty? You agreed to this, just like everybody else.
Well, maybe I'm sick of it, Charlie Cobb. I'm sick of myself.
We had no choice, Jim, you know that. We were all going to be killed.
Yeah. Where? I'll be right there.
Let's make it quick. Maybe something will connect to Alana's burns.
Doesn't seem to be anybody here. Would they all go home for the day?
Gee, wonder if you can get us in here. Awfully quiet. Doesn't look like much happens around here.
Let's check out the files.
Shipping and receiving?
Anything.
Check out these dates.
No orders past 88.
88. This is supposed to be a mining town. Motels empty, not a tourist in sight. How do these people make a living?
Maybe they're mining something they don't want anybody to know about. Out the back. This way.
Looks like we lost him.
Hands up, or you're dead. No, don't turn around. Get up. Come on, let's go. You too. They say you're a wanted man. Some kind of murderer.
I never murdered anybody.
Maybe so. That ain't up to me to decide. Now, start walking. And don't stop until you get to the next county.
You were wrong about the car. We did find it.
What happened to Alana?
Just get the hell out of here.
Look, we know it wasn't an accident.
Get moving before I change my mind. Go on, get!
On your feet, Jimbo. We want some answers. Now!
I towed her car myself. I put her inside and I ran it off the road. But she was already dead.
Where'd you tow the car from?
Just off Route 89, not far from here.
What was Alana doing out in the middle of nowhere? What did she find, Jim?
What's going on here is wrong. She might have warned people about that. Just like you folks been trying to do.
You sent the email. You're the one that contacted the Raven Nation.
I suppose I was.
They won't be needing this.
Lena thought she was onto something.
She was out by the Watcher's Fields.
The what field?
The tailing fields. That's where we dumped the ore debris from the old mine.
Fields of stone. It's in the quatrain. What happens there? What happens in the Watcher's Fields, damn it?
I think they're forming some kind of army. You know, getting ready. You see, that's where we take...
What are they doing here, Jim? What are they watching for? Is there something in the mine?
No. Not under. Over.
You ready? Go.
Now, Jim, why are these people doing this?
Jim tried to tell us.
You think he was right? They're really forming an army here?
The quatrain mentions a vanguard and the evil one. The vanguard must be for him, for Mavis.
Foster, I've been trying to get a hold of you for hours.
Sorry, I ran into a bit of a detour.
Where are you, man? A lot of traffic on the local police radios, mostly about you.
Don't worry, we're heading your way.
Look, man, you know the monster in those pictures? I figured out what it is.
You know what killed Alana?
Yeah, let me tell Jordan. She was her friend.
Hold on, Eddie. Here's Jordan.
Eddie, what is it?
All right, look, you know how the film is all rolled up in its little container? Well, if you take into account the curvature of the film, then the distortion caused by the diminishing size of the curve.
Eddie, please. What was it?
It's not a monster, it's a man. In a radiation suit.
The photo was a man in a radiation suit.
Yeah, but the thing is, I contacted the National Geological Survey. There's no radioactive deposits around here.
It's not the mine, Eddie. It's been closed since '88.
What are the suits for? There's got to be something under the ground here.
We got a clue from the anonymous emailer. He said over, not under.
Over? Did you ask what it means?
I'm afraid he won't be answering any more questions.
For a small town, this place sure has one hell of a high mortality rate.
Yeah.
Jim mentioned the tailing fields. I want to get some maps, check them out.
You and Eddie check out the fields. I'm gonna head into town.
What's the status of the retrieval?
Still collecting. It's almost finished.
Be glad when it's over.
When? Or if?
Look, it's been tough on all of us, Burke. Don't start.
Hello, Cheryl.
Cheryl?
You bastard!
Cheryl.
I just saw Jim in the morgue. Shot dead.
That's right. I brought his body in.
He was your friend! Put
your hands off
Cheryl, it was probably Cade Foster. We know he's a murderer.
He uses a hunting rifle. He's got one tucked away in his shaving kit. Yeah, that's what the doctor said.
Cheryl, listen.
I am through listening! You killed Jim!
I had to! Nobody else had the guts to do it. And my job is to protect Hope and guard the secret. You can't blame me for doing my job.
We thought we were saving this town. Maybe it's not worth saving anymore.
To handle this.
Charlie. That's Cheryl you're talking about.
Then you tell me, Burke, how else are we supposed to stay alive? Tell me that.
Going somewhere?
I'm just gonna go pick up my kids.
We need to talk.
Can we do this later? I really should get going.
I guess you wanted us to think Alana was in a car accident. Friend found, case closed, we'd leave town. But I saw her, Cheryl.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You know what she looked like?
Let me go, please.
The skin on her face had been burned. It looked like she'd been boiled.
I don't want to hear this.
That's too bad.
Alana was a friend of mine. She was smart, she was brave, and she died to save people just like you.
What do you want from me?
I want to know who killed her. I promise you, I won't stop until I find out.
I killed her.
You?
Me and everybody else in this town.
We've been looking around for hours. Foster, what the hell are we doing here? I'm turning into a blood bank for the local mosquito population.
Jim towed Alana's car just off Route 89. This is the quickest route from there to the fields Jim talked about.
Well, what do you expect to find?
Well, if we're lucky, same thing Alana found. Tape recorder.
What the hell is that doing here?
Jordan, I think I'm onto something big here. What I'm seeing proves that the second wave is here. Oh, God. I think they're coming.
Maybe we should take that as a warning. Meteorites. Orbs. They're harvesting orbs.
This is it, Eddie. The vanguard for the second wave.
This town is drop-off for alien consciousness. Goa Grand Central.
Tainted streams flow into fields of stone.
Meteor streams, man. They're raining orbs down on us.
How come our radar doesn't pick them up?
Sunspots.
Sunspots?
Yeah, I've read about temporary blackouts on NORAD's radar monitoring over North America. It's flickers caused by sunspots or solar flares.
That would explain the radiation suits. What about the burns on Elena's face?
Well, it's possible she got too close. I mean, meteorites can be highly radioactive. See, the Gua must time them to enter our atmosphere during the flickers.
Then the town collects the orbs, raising an army from Avis.
As if fighting aliens isn't hard enough. I'm telling you, Foster, this is why I don't trust my fellow man. Humanity's always living down to my expectations.
How much C4 do you have at the trailer, Eddie?
Enough to blow those orbs back where they came from. And then some.
First, we gotta find them. And I think I know where to look.
What is this? What are you doing?
Sit down! We got some questions to ask. And I gotta warn you, we're not feeling very patient. We understand each other? Who runs this office?
I do.
Horace Burke?
That's right.
Hope Town Council. You got something to do with that, too?
I'm head of the council. And I'm expected at a meeting right now.
Hey, you're a pretty important guy around here.
That's good. Maybe you can tell us where you're storing the orbs.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Look, we know about the orbs, the meteors, the Gua. You gotta deal with the aliens, man. Now what the hell are you gonna do with the orbs?
We're storing them in an old mine shaft until the next pickup.
And when is that?
Tomorrow.
Get up. Move. We got a town council meeting to go to.
They told us that if we would work in the service of the Gua, if we kept silent, if we went along, they'd let us live.
And if you didn't?
They would take our children and cut their throats.
Why didn't you call the authorities?
Who'd believe us? And how would we know they wouldn't find out? Our children's lives were at stake.
So you kept quiet?
Our silence became like a cancer. Jim was killed because he couldn't take it anymore.
Who did it? Cobb?
I think so. I think he killed your friend, too. I've known Charlie Cobb all my life. He isn't a bad man. He works for charities. He coaches Little League. I don't understand how this could happen.
I'll tell you how. You deal with the devil, it's gonna touch you.
I'm sorry, Jordan. I'm sorry about your friend.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Cade Foster, a wanted murderer. Contrary to popular belief, I'm innocent, sir. Framed by the same group you work for. Hey, council's still in session here, folks. I know what happened here. I know them. They came in, threatened you. Now you work for an alien force known as the Gua. Helping them bring in an army.
We had no choice.
You always have a choice.
If that's the way you want to look at it, our choice was to live.
It's how to live I'm talking about.
Do you really think you and your husband can stop them?
He's not my husband. We work together. Let's just leave it at that. And yes, we will stop them.
Hands up! Fix the car! Move!
Charlie, what are you doing?
He's not raising money for charities.
Shut up! I knew you wanted out, Cheryl. I just didn't think you'd sell out your own people.
You're the sellout, Cobb. You're also a killer.
Put your hands on your head! I'm gonna let the council deal with this.
You want slavery? Or freedom? Some things are worth fighting for, even dying for. Hey, I know you're scared. But there's gotta be a way. A chance to take back your lives.
Get in there! Move! Move! Round the back! Go on round the back! You move it! You sit down, Cheryl! Put the gun down, Foster. Put it on the floor. I'm handling this. On the floor. Do it or I'll shoot her. Kick it over here. Who do you people think you are? Coming here telling us what we can and can't do with our families.
Cobb's right about that. You got no idea what we've been through.
That's not true. Foster lost everything to the Gua.
Well, then he's got nothing left to lose. So how about I blow her away? Or your friend here?
Let's not get carried away.
How's it feel, Foster, seeing them with a gun to their head? That's what we live with every day.
They threaten our families, our children. What else could we do?
Take a stand. Fight them. You can't trust the Gua. Sooner or later it'll catch up to you. You want your children to survive, but they'll inherit a world run by aliens. And if that happens, you betray them. What's it gonna take for you to see that?
You'll never know. If I gotta be the only one to stand up for this town, then that's the way it's gotta be.
Put the gun down, Cobb.
What the hell are you doing, Burke?
I mean it, Cobb. Put it down.
I can't do that.
That's enough. Stop it.
Shoot him, Burke. Finish it.
We're going to talk about this. The whole council. That's the way we do things around here.
Not anymore.
Foster!
Shut up! I don't believe it.
He was my friend.
You gonna shoot me? And Eddie? Jordan? Cheryl? We're killing each other. Just what the Gua want us to do. Just what we'll keep doing. Unless we end this thing here. Today.
Everything's in order. It's all in there.
Next week.
I don't think so. We made some adjustments to the deal. We changed the terms.
We set the terms.
Not anymore. Deal's over.
Don't worry. We're gonna let you live long enough to deliver a message to Mavis. You tell him we just lost hope. So you gonna stay?
Yeah.
You know they may come back.
Well, if they do, they'll find us waiting.
This is our town again, thanks to you and your friends.
Could get rough. You may have to fight to keep it.
And that's something we should have done a long time ago.
Good luck to you.
Thanks.
Bye.
So what now?
We look for other areas that escape NORAD detection.
You got it, man. Close down any retrieval sites, stop the flow of go out of this planet.
I can't help but thinking we should have turned those orbs over to the government.
Yeah, if we could be sure that the Gwa hadn't infiltrated the government.
Hey, kids, we just destroyed an army. Right now, I'll settle for that.
I have to call Anna's family, tell them what happened. But first, let's check out this town she helped save.
All right.
When the aliens destroyed my life, I knew I had to fight them. I never believed I had a choice. But what about the people of hope? Who believed they had no choice when the Gwa threatened their lives and their families? Can innocent people be blamed for surrendering in the face of a terrible enemy? Does evil have to be confronted the minute it rears its ugly head? Or do you risk the life of an entire town by taking a stand? As I look at Eddie and Jordan, my new family, I know how hard a choice that would be.